welcome to my channel. Today I am going to give a brief account on William Shakespeare, the world famous figure in English literature. Shakespeare is familiar to all of us and there is no need to introduce Shakespeare to you all. Now we can directly move to the biography, works and other informations of the great writer William Shakespeare. Shakespeare was born on April 26, 1564 in Stratford and died on April 23, 1616. He was known as Bard of Avon and Swan of Avon. He was the son of John Shakespeare and Mary Aden. Shakespeare was probably educated at the King Edward VI Grammar School in Stratford, where he learned Latin and a little Greek. At the age of 18, he married Anne Hathaway. He was an English poet, playwright, and actor. He was also the greatest dramatist of all time. Next, let's have a look at Shakespeare as a writer. Shakespeare wrote 39 plays during his lifetime. In the first folio, the plays of William Shakespeare were grouped into three categories. They are histories, comedies, and tragedies. The modern scholars recognize a fourth category, romance, to describe the specific types of comedy that appear in Shakespeare's later works. The first category of plays are histories. The Shakespearean histories are biographies of English kings of the previous 4 centuries. King John, Edward II, Henry V, Henry IV Part 1 and Part 2 are the examples of Shakespearean histories. The second category is comedies. Comedies are the plays of fun, irony, and it has a happy ending, which often involving a marriage. The main characteristics of comedies are a struggle of young lovers to overcome the problems, often the result of the interference of their elders. Twelfth Night, A Midsummer Night's Dream are some of the examples of comedies. The last one is tragedies. A tragedy is a play dealing with tragic events and having an unhappy ending, especially one concerning the downfall of the main character. Most of the tragedies by Shakespeare ends with the death of the main character or the hero. King Lear, Hamlet, Macbeth are some of the examples of Shakespearean tragedies. Even though Shakespeare's reputation is primarily based on his plays, he became famous first as a poet. He wrote plenty of poems. In 1609, he published a book of 154 sonnets. His sonnets are written in iambic pentameter. The first 126 sonnets are addressed to a young man and the last 28 to a dark lady. Shakespeare's sonnets are considered as a shift from the Petrarchan sonnets introduced in 16th century England by Thomas Wyatt. Shakespearean sonnets are composed of 14 lines and divided into 3 quatrains and a final concluding couplet. The rhyme scheme that he followed is ABAB, CD, EFEF, GG. This sonnet form is also known as the English sonnet. His first published poem was Venus and Adonis in 1593. He wrote 2 long narrative poems. Among his poems, Venus and Adonis and The Rape of Lucrece in 1594 are the famous poems. These poems were dedicated to his patron, the Earl of Southampton. Shakespeare has been credited by the Oxford English Dictionary for introducing almost 3,000 words to the English language. His contribution to the English language is notable and he invented more than 1,700 words. Amazement, champion, gossip, unreal, bedroom are some of the examples for his contributions. Apart from a writer, Shakespeare was also an actor during his lifetime. Shakespeare and his theatre company performed before both Queen Elizabeth I and later James I, who was an enthusiastic patron of his work. Shakespeare had close connections with King James I. The king made the actors of Shakespeare's company grooms of chamber, in response to which Shakespeare changed the company's name from the Lord Chamberlain's men to the King's men. The new title made Shakespeare a favorite with the king and in much demand for court performances. The next topic is that what makes Shakespeare very famous. Definitely, it has plays which makes him famous. His works are about love, life, death, revenge, grief, jealousy, murder, magic, and mystery. The other factors are the emotional impact of the stories that he tells and his use of language to convey the characters. Shakespearean plays: Hamlet, Romeo and Juliet, King Lear, Macbeth, Othello, A Midsummer Night's Dream, Julius Caesar, The Tempest, The Merchant of Venice, Twelfth Night, As You Like It, Much Ado About Nothing, Antony and Cleopatra, The Taming of the Shrew, The Winter's Tale are some of the examples of famous Shakespearean plays. Next, we can move to the Shakespearean poems: Venus and Adonis, The Rape of Lucrece, A Lover's Complaint, The Phoenix and the Turtle, The Passionate Pilgrim are the examples of Shakespearean poems. I include some extra information about Shakespeare in the coming slides. First one is that suicides occurs recurrently in Shakespearean plays and there are 13 suicides in his plays. 3 suicides occurred both in Antony and Cleopatra and Julius Caesar and 2 in Romeo and Juliet. Next point is that Shakespeare wrote 2 plays in verse. There are only 2 Shakespearean plays written entirely in verse. They are Richard II and King John. Many of the plays have half of the text in prose. It is said that Shakespeare lost at least 2 plays that have been lost, titled Cardenio and Love's Labour's Won. Shakespeare's shortest play, The Comedy of Errors, contains just 1770 lines and is only a third of the length of his longest one, The Hamlet, which takes 4 hours to perform. 2 of Shakespearean plays, Hamlet and Much Ado About Nothing, have been translated into Klingon. The Klingon Language Institute plans to translate more works by Shakespeare. Even though Shakespeare is considered as one of the finest writers in the English language, he got banned by the critics during his time. The theatre critic Robert Greene in 1590 called Shakespeare as an upstart crow beautified with our feathers. Shakespeare's name was spelled at least 80 ways. I have mentioned 4 ways in which Shakespeare's name was spelled by all. The word honorificabilitudinitatibus is considered as the longest word used by Shakespeare. He used the word in his play Love's Labour's Lost. Thank you so much for watching this video.